Good morning, teacher. My name is Wilson Janila Chehen. I am 25 years old. Single, I have health wish, the farm work. I study agroforestry, engineering. My hobbies are I like to ride a bike. I like to read and I listen to music. The main tourist places in Espino are the Wise Lagoon and the top of Cocoas. The typical food of my town is mute and tamales. The main celebration in my town are San Ramon Nonato and the festivities of the Virgen de Santa Ana, which are celebrated at the end of July and the end of August. Sport championships and religious activities. Many thanks.